Hi, my name's Cactus, and welcome, fellow adventurers. We are inside of a hospital, I do believe, or some sort of medical facility. So we're gonna see what they left behind. And already, we have Scrabble, Monopoly, we have Risk, Living Clean. I got some Country Living. Will you please help us serve you better? We got some dice. Alright, so we're gonna go into the hallway. This one still has love. The bathroom. Hey, this is an office. Or,
There's Cactus.
hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, hey, Mark. Hey, Mark. The curtains, the dividers are still here. The oxygen.
Hey, I found a ball.
Sweet.
Says,
Hey, Mark.
right down the go.
Grab the, hang on.
I'm going
Grab.
to room 123.
I gotta set you guys down for a second. Cause I gotta grab my other camera. So you guys get to watch me grab my other camera right here. Lena, I got something for you.
Very faint. Is anybody got a fire that caused this place to go bad? I don't see any smoke or fire damage. Could have been a horrible death or maybe just lack of fire.
Lena,
Yeah. Lena, you're being summoned. Yeah. It's pretty cool in here. There's radiation.
there it goes. Hey guys, my name's Cactus. Welcome to an emergency room.
It said keep the door locked, so Mark has to open the door.
Lena, Lena, I have something for you.
Oh, Cactus
Lena.
got something
Lena.
for Lena.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Lena.
He's gonna let you
For
record.
this.
Oh,
The
oh, that's
mage,
what.
hold,
Lena.
I thought you were.
Keep steady,
you,
straight,
hold, the club.
point and shoot towards the light.
So,
Okay? Just point and short towards the light. The light is your
did you
friend.
record? Are you recording?
Yes.
Wait. Let me add that.
Ain't that awesome?
Yeah, it's awesome.
There's a little fucking bell.
There you go. The Mater D
Oh, check
needs to
that
be
out.
alerted for the.
That's the school that's now destroyed.
And here's this, the Fort Hospital for the school that's now destroyed. Look at the service bell desk.
Want some blow flakes?
Guess who's using this when they have fever or sore feet in the chair?
Oh, guys.
Huh.
Check this part out.
Add me. Give me soup.
Hey, baby. Come on. This is the emergency. Oh, shit.
Oh, we got some chairs. We got windows.
That's me. Sorry.
We still have.
Fucking hell.
It was hard for reason because I ninja scared him.
God damn.
Do we still have clocks in here? We have some new adventurers with us.
Alright, I'm gonna get my shoes shined by a ghost, Joe.
Hospital.
Hmm?
It's a hospital, so where they keep the medical shit?
What's through here?
That's the door he came through. Babe. Okay. I'm just looking.
Oh.
I'm trying to calm down from Mr. Adams scaring me.
Well, let's keep looking.
I'm trying. Danny.
It couldn't have been abandoned too long ago. 2019.
That's all I said, Matt. And hey, before we do anything, like touch any food, we need to, wash it. What's in here?
I hear it. Oh, look. Oh, wow. We still have a monitor in here, guys. Still have a monitor. Really? Guys?
Coming.
Okay. Oh, we got a map.
Why?
Oh, dude, I found the X-ray room. Guys. The X-ray. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. We still have medical supplies unopened. Some Christmas ornaments. Somebody left their plant in here.
After 30 minutes of exposure.
Guys,
Now it's it.
guys,
Coming, bud.
I found the X-ray room.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Do you hear water?
Yes. Oh, wow. Oh, there it is. Wait, no. Can I get somebody to come with me?
Yeah, got you.
I don't know where they are. Where did they go?
They're fucking in the bathroom.
Oh, no.
They're filming.
Oh, no.
They're not.
Oh, no. Mark.
I'm joking.
Mark, don't touch any of this. There's acetone, propanol, alcohol. Dude, this place is trashed. We still got needles and a scale. I'm looking for that X-ray room, guys. Radiology and cafeteria is that way.
What did you say, Matt?
Radiology and waiting room.
There you go. Guys, you want
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, that's just a skylight. It's just a skylight. So it must be through here, guys. Oh, wow. We still have towels and a painting. Still have chemicals all over.
Matt,
Yeah?
alright, just checking, bro. I didn't know where you were.
There it goes. We have chemicals. Sorry, it was a little blurry. Guys, you need to come check this shit out. Hello?
Where are you at?
Dude, I'm in the x-ray room. No?
Alright, I'm going back to the entrance.
No, come this way.
Oh wait, you're in the double doors?
Yes.
I'm here.
Come on. There's
Okay.
there's an x-ray room right here.
Let's go, radiology.
It says x-ray room.
Well, there's no radiology, there's no x-ray machine.
No, there's not. But there's the booth.
Yeah, there's the operation, the technician's booth.
Yeah, there's the switch.
Yep.
There's the readouts if you want to read some of these.
Let me see this.
I mean,
Okay, so these are all different. These are all different wattages or
Yeah, they're-
power of the, and then these are the actual operations performed.
Yeah.
Looking at ribs, chest, butthole.
oh, we're back where we started.
We're back where we started.
So we are in a medical facility, and we're just walking. There's a hospital bed. Let's continue through this way first. Ultrasound room. Careful with the windows, buddy.
I know.
Oh man, oh my god, I've always seen pictures of these.
What is it?
It's a sanitizer. I wonder
What
if
does it do? Is it a heater?
No, it sanitizes. It sanitizes the equipment. Oh, that's locking it. It works, guys.
Nice.
That's cool. This is really cool. Where did they go? We need to find our other explorers, guys. They are lost, and I think we are lost.
No, we're not. The car's right ahead. I know where we're at.
Well, dude, here's the. Oh no! Mark!
I'm coming.